Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power steering, heated steering wheel, clock, power brakes, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.